To save the Earth and humanity, we must cut down on our fossil fuel use by adopting biomass and renewable energy. The combustion of 1 liter of diesel releases 2.7 kilograms of CO2. 1 cubic meter of natural gas releases 2 kilograms of CO2 after burning. However, the net CO2 emission of biomass energy is 0, which is eco-friendly. This saves money and reduces carbon emission. In the past, we harvested manually and dried grain under the sun. We worried about the rain during harvest because if they were not dried in time, grain sprout and mildew would occur, producing aflatoxin, which is 68 times as toxic as arsenic and can even survive under 280 degrees heat. After consumption, both humans and livestock can get cancer. Mechanized grain drying is the most important part of agricultural mechanization. Right after harvest, grain should be delivered into dryers. Fresh drying helps farmers secure the fruit of their hard work. This also allows everyone to have access to fresh and safe rice. Using diesel or natural gas as dryer fuel releases a lot of CO2, which causes global warming that reduces agricultural output and may trigger a food crisis. The drying of 10,000 tons of paddy requires 200,000 liters of diesel and emits 540 tons of CO2. Both diesel and natural gas are big expenses. The drying cost will again be out of control when fuel prices hike, which affects profits. To help farmers reduce drying cost and improve rice quality, Suncue has developed exclusive patented technology to replace diesel and natural gas with rice husks to dry grain. Suncue's rice husk furnace uses the common byproduct of rice mills, rice husk, as the fuel for dryers. The ash after burning can be turned into organic fertilizer to return to the field. This improves farming soil, making rice plants stronger through continuous recycling in the ecology. Rice husk, originally considered rural waste, is rich in thermal energy. 1 kilogram of rice husk could produce 3,000 to 3,500 kilocalories after burning. 2.5 kilograms of husk equals to 1 liter of diesel in thermal energy produced. Suncue's complete combustion technology is able to apply husks from merely 1 ton of wet paddy to drying wet paddy of around 3 tons. This triples the efficiency. 10,000 tons of wet paddy produces around 1,765 tons of husk after drying and milling. We need just a third of husk to dry the same amount of wet paddy again. Surplus can be used as fuel for heating greenhouses or buildings. The ash has an alkaline pH value of 8 to 9, which is capable of amending acidic soil impacted by chemical fertilizer or acidic rain. It is rich in minerals and trace elements, making it a good component for organic fertilizer that helps rice plants grow stronger. Right after harvest, farmers bring wet grain to a Suncue Husk Furnace drying center. During loading, the furnace computer auto-calculates husk requirement and blow it into the furnace. Then the hot air passes through heat exchanger and only clean air is sent to dryers. Suncue Rice Husk Furnace can connect up to 15 dryers at once. According to the number of running dryers and their temperature settings, the computer auto-controls the drying process. The hot air temperature of each dryer can be set individually, and the furnace can control each temperature, plus or minus 1 degree within setting. This helps produce high-quality, high-value small package rice and makes seeds with high germination rate possible. Suncue Husk furnaces come in various models. The fully automatic drying feature allows one man to solely process from dozens to even thousands of tons of grain per day. It is suitable for seed companies, grain depots, agricultural associations, and rice mills.
Phang Rong Rice Mill has long been contracting with farmers who raise ducks among rice plants in the paddy field. In 2012, we began to use a Suncue rice husk furnace and its grain dryers. They've not only helped us cut down on the drying costs significantly, but increased the quality of our champion rice with natural fragrance. We are very happy with it.
Phang Rong Rice Mill has ordered 6 sets over time. Using its self-milled paddy husk as fuel to dry 30,000 tons of paddy and corn saves them 600,000 liters of diesel each year. Yucha Cooperative Farm uses 3 sets to dry paddy, garlic, sticky rice, peanut, and longan. Versatile usage maximizes their return of investment. In addition, the farm's organic fertilizer plant enables ash to be reused in the ecosystem, which results in higher profits. Shanghai Farm, China's advanced green seed company, has ordered 12 sets to dry over 90,000 tons of barley, wheat, paddy, and seeds each year, saving 1.8 million liters of diesel as a role model of all green agriculture enterprises. Food Corporation of India has ordered 5 sets, which are drying 60,000 tons of corn and saving 1.2 million liters of diesel per year. This Filipino rice mill has ordered 7 sets, drying 150,000 tons of paddy and saving 3 million liters of diesel on a yearly basis. This Indonesian rice mill has gradually ordered 12 sets, drying 1 million tons of paddy and saving 20 million liters of diesel annually. Users worldwide have given positive feedback after using Suncue rice husk furnaces. Shilo Agro Association in Taiwan finds their paddy naturally fragrant. The Agro Association in Nagano, Japan says their rice tastes more tender. Prundle Rice Mill in Korea testifies that this is truly organic rice. Naharacha Seed Company in Thailand dries 20,000 tons of paddy seeds per year. The higher germination rate, the higher seed prices. By using Suncue's rice husk furnace with free rice husk, the fuel cost is 0. For drying 10,000 tons of paddy, the saving of 200,000 liters of diesel exceeds the profit of selling the paddy itself. Not only is Suncue Husk Furnace needed for making high-quality food, but for increasing competitiveness and cutting operation cost. Suncue is the only manufacturer exporting to Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, Europe, and Latin America, with customers in more than 50 countries of the world that have welcomed it with great acclaim. Suncue, founded in 1966, has focused on its R&D to manufacture grain dryers for more than 50 years. Its automatic production makes dryers simple to use and easy to maintain. The goal of Suncue is to design dryers requiring no service. Suncue has received gold medal at the IENA Nuremberg, Germany Gold Medal Award and Special Genius Award at World Genius Convention in Tokyo, Japan, and many other major awards. The motivation of Suncue's continuous research and innovation comes from our values. 道心之中有意识，意识之中无道心。Daoxin is the heart of nature. It means to be concerned about human beings. We believe that if a start point of a company is to make a great contribution and help society, naturally, society will give you good feedback in return. According to the proof of our worldwide customers, Suncue Rice Husk Furnace can help improve rice quality and sharply reduce drying costs. Let's move from petrol-based agriculture to the era of sustainable agriculture and work toward the common goal of giving our land a better future through protecting the environment. Suncue Husk Furnace Grain Drying Center.